G'day guys, Mitch from Two Tassie Devils here, and this morning I'm very excited to bring to you the Hima double air swag. They've got massive end doors too, and windows, huge. Pretty well the whole side. Not sure how easy this is going to be to get back in the bag. Right, let's try it out. How tall am I? 6 foot, a bit over 6 foot. And a very thick mattress. G'day guys, so we've just spent 2 nights camping out in the Kenilworth area, and I just thought I'd take you through a few of the specs on our new swag here. The pros and cons, the things I like about this swag and the things that probably need a bit of attention. I've got the air poles here. You've got the vent in the corner there. So one of the best things about this swag is these massive side windows. You can unzip the canvas like that, and also you can unzip the fly screen if you like as well, which is pretty cool. Straight outside to the river.
It really is a great idea having the mattress and the swag itself separated, but the execution is slightly off. As Mitch showed, trying to fold up the mattress, as nice as the mattress is, it is a massive pain to try and get it folded up and then in the bag. The straps definitely don't make it easier because you cannot compress it enough, so it ends up being a bit of a mission trying to get it into the bag.
Just like that. Yeah, so with the hurricane pump that they do supply, there is a deflation valve on the back side of the pump, but we haven't found a need to use that. Basically just undo the air valve in the corner and it just goes down by itself. The swag itself rolls up very easy. I just thought I would jump in here and mention that since filming this video, I have contacted Vicoffroad in regards to the clips on the straps, and they are currently working on a better solution for this, which will be awesome and make it much easier to pack up. So the 3 best things I like about this swag is the 70mm foam fleece mattress. Amazing, very good night's sleep on that. And the second thing is the 2 large windows on each end of the swag. You can unzip the canvas and roll it down, and also you can unzip the fly screen and roll it down, which we thought was a pretty cool feature. I haven't seen that on a swag before. There could be other swags out there like that, but we really like that. And the third thing we loved was actually the size of the swag overall. Compared to our old swag, it was a lot more roomier, had a lot more headroom in it. And also there's no sagging in the middle, which a lot of swags suffer from, so that's a big bonus for this swag. So the swag itself does roll up into a nice little neat bag, which is great for storage. So that's a wrap guys, thanks heaps for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.